Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we have got a bit of continuation to retest this previous support as resistance here. You can see obviously as we came up into this, following the back of that New Year's, a little bit of relief in that New Year. We got a little bit of a breakout here as well of this resistance that we have seen here, where we did see a little bit of a move to the upside here into this overall resistance of the previous range. That was a previous support, as you can see, was broken in this area here, broke down, back tested, come down. Obviously we come down to this support that we have been holding for a while here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 retests of this support here. We get a little bit of relief to the upside up into that previous support as resistance in this area, and then looking like obviously we got a very nice sharp rejection here where we would have taken our short position in this area. You can see it came into a little bit of profit straight away, and now looking like we've come back up again to retest this area as well. So looking like Verasity right now, looking like it wants to retest this area yet again, showing a fair amount of strength actually, considering how bearish it has been recently, but still making lower lows and lower highs. You can see pretty much, you know, your lower low, lower high, lower low, and then your lower high coming into that previous support as resistance. This would be the ideal place to put your short in, really, wouldn't it? And as we said before, we would be targeting that key level we were talking about before, at that 1/5 of a cent level. As you can see back here, there is a key level of structure that does need to be retested, as we do seem to be making our way continuously to the downside. Obviously Bitcoin having a little bit of relief over the past week or so, but overall we would say a continuation to the downside is probably the most likely thing for most altcoins, especially since we are coming up to these levels, these big solid levels of previous support that could be tested as resistance in a downtrend. So as you can see on the hourly time frame, a bit more detail about what we're talking about. We've got the breakdown, the back test of that previous the bottom of that previous range there, which was a support. We come down to that previous level of support here, we get the bounce, we get a little bit of a breakout here, so we run up to that previous support as resistance. We get the back test of these previous levels here as we come up and test again. And now most likely we would say, if I can actually scroll across here so we can see what's going on, you obviously got your test and your back test again. And if we come back into this area again, you're probably looking at, you know, potential bearish divergences as well, with the decrease in the strength of the price action if we do come up into the top of this area here. But you can see that we are getting some rejection already. If we come up into this area, you'd probably expect a rejection back down into this area here and a continuation to our target. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.